Madam President, before I start, I would like to make, I'd like to be sure if our colleague Senator Lito Lapid will also stand to second the motion.
Oh, I mentioned that all the members of the minority. I failed to mention Senator Lito Lapid. I am sure that the good senator from Pampanga would like to associate himself with the motion of Senator Subiri. Okay.
Madam President,
Proceed.
I got his word. He is not seconding the motion of my amiable friend, the former Majority Leader, Senator Mig Subiri. Madam President, the motion was premised on Section 93 of the Senate Rules. May I read this again, Madam President? Acts and language which offend a senator or any public institution shall be deemed unparliamentary.